Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about respirators versus masks. I'm a little unwell today, so please bear with my voice. So you may have heard a lot of opinions about what you should actually choose. A respirator or a dust mask would be enough. Every resin artist prefers to protect himself and tries to protect others by telling them about respirators. And undoubtedly, respirator is a really good option than that of mask. But many people use eco-friendly resins and their opinion is different. In the end, it all depends upon you, what you want to choose. Being a resin artist and working on a small scale with all the precautionary measures, my opinions are based on my working scale and my experiences. You may have seen many resin artists working on large scales and they don't even wear a mask. It all because of their own experiences and opinions about resin. Respirators are specially made for closed or poor ventilated areas. On the other hand, if you are working in a good ventilated area along with eco-friendly resins, then just simply wear a mask and that would be enough. If you are allergic to chemicals or fumes, then you should wear a proper respirator. If you are a beginner and non-allergic to chemicals, then you don't need to buy a respirator at the beginning of your career, as beginners do not work on larger scale. So at least wear a mask to protect your respiratory tract. For sanding resin pieces, respirators are really useful because when you sand resins, small particles can get into your lungs easily and can even irritate your eyes. If you wet your resin pieces with water before sanding them, a dust mask can protect your airways. If you are not facing any serious health issues like skin cancers, allergies, asthma, eye infections, even then wear a mask while working with resin. Even on a beginner level, if you want to be extra safe and you want to protect yourself, you can buy a respirator. There's nothing wrong in it. But at least wear a mask if you cannot buy a respirator at the beginning of your career. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
I've been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling